Hey Ottoman, RJ Forgin here. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about my interests in real estate along with data mining. Basically, I've always had an interest for working in the field of real estate. I kind of have a family background in it. My grandfather and my father both are in the industry, and I've always been interested in it. I've done a couple projects of my own through high school. Looked at some possible investments for myself, but anyways, the application that it has to information systems is the inspiration I've gained from the data mining or lectures that we've kind of looked over, and how that could be a possibility to apply it with real estate. Now, I think it is a really interesting concept, kind of a vision of essentially the smart house, and we grew up with a lot of like the Disney movie Smart House, where the house was interactive, had kind of a mind of its own. You were able to talk to it.
More fun in your life? I took the liberty of helping out.
Whoa, who said that?
That's just Pat. She's the brains of the operation.
Are we really having a party, Pat?
Big time, dude.
Then going to even to like the Iron Man movies and movies such as that, where Iron Man talks to his house. He is completely interactive.
How many buildings are there?
Am I to include the Belgian waffle stand?
That was rhetorical. Just show me.
And these are kind of the houses of the future. The dwellings of the future. If it's a house, multifamily condominiums, any of those sort of living spaces, but also the integration of data mining. And I think that with homes now being so connected and so technologically driven as they are today, and as they will increasingly be in the future, it would be very interesting to use a data mining system where you take information from how often electricity is used, how often gas and water are used, and creating a system which can become more efficient, and also creating a database for this where it is open source. So say you have a neighborhood or a condominium, a multifamily residence, or even a master plan development where it's an entire town or city. That gets even more drastic and even more interesting. But so you have this multifamily development, and all of the information from each individual goes to an open source. That open source can be viewed and used to create applications for the living spaces, especially increase efficiency. And I think that it is, at this day of age, it has become more acceptable and more possible just due to the technology, but also due to the mindset of individuals and how they have become more acceptable with allowing their information to be public. A home is usually an extremely private space, and it might be a wall that would be faced when implementing these kind of systems. However, I think that our generation has become used to it, and if shared information becomes that more available, then there can be a number of products and a number of efficiencies that can be made. So I think this is a very interesting concept, and somewhat of a vision that I see in the future, and hopefully can implement into developments in the future, and that's always a possibility. So I hope you are interested with this thought, and if you have any more feedback on the subject matter, that'd be awesome. Alright, thank you.